just opened the chicken and put it into boiling water, so I'm using about a 5-litre pot, and then we're going to just cover it. I'm going to boil it on one side for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we turn it over. Just add a little bit more water if it's not covering the whole chicken. I'm taking a metal skewer and just poking the chicken to check to see if it's done. So if any blood flows out, then we need to cook it a little bit longer. If not, then it's done. The chicken's all done, and I've let it sit in the water for 5 minutes, and now we're going to take it out. You can use whichever salt you want. I'm using Himalayan salt. And then just salt the whole chicken. Add a generous amount of salt to it. Once you've salted the one side, now turn it over and salt the other side. With the carcass that is remaining, we're going to be making a fishball soup. I've taken some spring onions and I've just chopped about 5 centimeters, and this one is about 8 centimeters. And now we're going to just make some garnishing for the chicken. So just cutting little slices in the sides. And then we put those into some water. I've just put some water in there, and now we can drop the little onions in. And then just leave them there until they start curling. You can see they start quite soon. I've taken the spring onions and just put them on to display it so it looks nice. To make the sauce for the chicken, I'm just using a little bowl, and I've got some premium soya sauce. Just a small little tip, when you open your soya sauce, so that you don't get an awful lot falling out, just take the little piece that you've pulled off and slide it back in like that, so that it closes the hole, so when you're pouring you're only getting a small amount coming out like that. And we're going to just pour some of that into the bowl. And then I've got mushroom soy or dark soy. We're going to take some of that and some oyster sauce, about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and then just mix that together. I've got 2 spring onions that we're going to be using, and I'm cutting about 5 centimeters off the edge so that I can use those to grow. So I'm cutting them about 0.5 centimeter, 5 millimeters. and then just cut all of them. And now we take all the spring onions and put it into the sauce that we've just made. And then just mix it. Thank you so much for watching.